Introducing the 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It includes power seats, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, rain-sensing wipers, a trailer hitch, and leather upholstery. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.